Good morning. Governor Ebuka is here. The people's governor. Son of the great Shanamites that lives amongst the angels. Governor Ebuka is here. Thank you for being here with me. I want to say thank you. Thank you for being here. Governor Ebuka is here. Thank you all. It is Sunday. The people's governor is here. Son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Today is Sunday as always. Good morning, Summer Vin. Thank you for being here. Governor Ebuka is here. Now, it is Sunday. And this Sunday message, as always, I'll make it brief. But I'm very sorry if it's going to hurt you. I apologize in advance. Just make a large heart where you can receive this into your heart, that we may turn a change. This is where I want to start my message this morning. Where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Ndi Igbo. Where is your son? These are some of the reasons why I agree sometimes with Ndi Igbo. No ne wika abo president, because ihe na-eshi Ishi ni anahu. Ihe na-eshi Ishi di anaru. There I agree with Ndi Igbo that we can never, if care is not taken, we can never, and we can achieve Oboda as president. Reason is very simple. Maka Ndi Igbo unu yeji ọnụ wee kwuo na unu fụrụ ụmụnne nọ n'anya, but many of our people, the more mean and wicked. I want to ask you one question before I go further. Those of you who based in Lagos, those of you who based in the north, how many Northerners, how many Yoruba people do you see with Attire? How many Yoruba people do you see with Attire on their legs? How many in the Hausa do you see bu Attire no kuha? How many? How many in the Yoruba can run out of their land? But you say you are everywhere on Igbo. Igbo Nwugasi. You hate to your brothers so much. You hate to your brothers so much. Once a God involved, you hate your brother. Once money is involved, you hate your brother. As Igbo. Good morning, Chibuzo. Thank you, my fan. You hate your brother so much as Igbo. You hate your brother so much. Chibuzo, I know the condition of Imo. You said Imo is scary right now. I know. Ebugo many people na Igbo. Ebugo many Igbo youth. It is you. It is your leader. Obuginwa. Igbo love themselves. Anybody forcing Igbo love themselves. Onya be fool. The question I ask you this morning is, how many Yoruba people do you see with Attire? How many in the Hausa do you see with Attire? But go to your village. Go to your community. Go to your kindred. Go there and see for yourself. Who are those keeping Nnamdi Kanu where he is right now? Ndi Igbo. It is you. Who was he dragging for? Who was he agitating for? Their betterment in Ndi Igbo. Did you love him? Ndi Yoruba Neme Church. There has never been anarchy. There has never been issues. You went to school, but foolishness became your portion. The enviness non alibo on our DNA. Now somebody just confirmed now. Chibuzo si no about to reburu maya. Chibuzo your mom uburonye Yoruba to amambuya. Ndi Yoruba amamwe such mind. Man Ndi Igbo with the mind. This your brothers who stand up day and night. Manketi Sultan, Manketi call as a pastor. All of them are the same. Enviness. Go and ask people who live abroad. Go join the Igbo abroad. Only Igbo will make sure natural ginore people bataria. Only Igbo you make it here without looking back. Thank you everyone. Thank you great fans for being here. The Shalamite is here. You people are done with Nnamdi Kanu. Unemego Yiwa now is Ebuka Obi. And if some of us talk, the best thing you do is you tag us now, but you are not being paid now, right? And you were there to speak for him. Help me share this video. You can do everything so far you got involved. Check because of Facebook money. Check what our people are doing. All because of money. Hence money is involved. Forget, don't trust atrocities. Another person just commented that my mother has been suffering for Attire for 8 years. Onye Yoruba non Attire, none at the sick bed of Attire for 8 years. You parade yourself. Igbo love themselves. Igbo from where Ashi. The day an Igbo man became a Senate president, I'm opening your eyes. The day an Igbo man became the Senate president, we had 3 Senate presidents within 4 years. Oh, Ndi Igbo. I will call you back now, brother. I will call you. And my boy Chigi. Ndi Igbo very mean. Get on you banye so no go show. Unu go show a brother talk about Bogi Mabru Diego Labia Zodogu here. Only Igbo. How many Yoruba people? How many of them Nari Attire? How many of them can Emananyukuna their lands? Even at the music industry, go and check now. Go and check. Onye Yoruba ga carry Onye Yoruba be along. Future ya even free of charge. Go and check Redeemed Church. The Redeemed Church. Go and check winners. Every of their state headquarters. It is supervised by Onye Yoruba. A Yoruba man will put a Yoruba man. You know why they cannot put you, Igbo? Do you know why they cannot put you? If you get there, you would want to betray the owner of the church. Onye Igbo, those people, majority of those people pulling in Nnamdi Kanu, pulling Ebuka Obi down, Ndi Igbo 100%. Now another person just to say, why do you choose to defend Ebuka Obi? I will answer you. I don't want to insult you. I choose to defend him because the thing is too much. All these years, did I talk? Only the past 1 month I started saying something. All the too much. All the too much. If you support this evil, go to your village. Go to any compound around your village and collect water to drink. Since you have clear conscience as Onye Igbo. What stops you from eating from your uncle's kitchen? You know why? Because you don't trust the Igbo man. It's too much of Ndi Igbo. 3 Senate presidents. Bukola Saraki was a Senate president. Did his brothers fight him? Did the Yorubas fight him to remove him as Senate president and take over? From Adolfo Swabara to many others, 3 Senate presidents from your Igbo extraction. All of you fought them. Ojo Zakano tried to become the Senate president. What did you do to him as your brother? You ripped him off. You ripped him off. Very mean and wicked. All the everywhere, all in my village. All in your village. It is in your family, it is in my family. Enviness and hatred. The first day I bought a car in my life, at the age of 23 years, one of my uncle went to Eze, the king of my village those days. Or the Passion Oburoshi Kamzuru. Just I'll block you now. If you mess up here, I'll block you. Hence I'm on live video. I don't joke. I don't joke. These are one of those animals. If you say you are free, you love Igbo, go to your village, go to the next compound, collect water and drink, collect food and eat. Collect water and eat. Some of you cannot even go to your village. You know why? You're afraid. You have money, you live in the city, you have good cars, you live in good houses, or you go and build in your village. Go to your village and mold one bag of cement. That day you will know. That day you will realize what I am saying here. Ndi Igbo, you hear me? How many Yorubas are to can try your village? If you're an Igbo person, go to your village. You will be side room till the day you will go back to the city. Ndi Igbo, the one city caller, my pastors among them said they hate themselves. Go to your village and try it. If you want to build us in your own family, even the land your own father gave to you, your brothers, your elder brothers will fight you. Nali Igbo. % of the Igbo land, the villages in Igbo land, the communities, you cannot go there and eat. You will be afraid of your life. How long shall you do this? David Oyedepo, do you know how many pastors who passed through him that he offended? They did not do anything to him. They did not do anything. They left. They still see him as their uncle, as their senior daddy. I am an Igbo. And I'm telling you this. Here Ndi Igbo. Only Igbo ya put on a camera singing actually got caught to that prosecute on the canoe. Don't you see it happen? One negi. Even after losing his father, his mother, the same day, earlier he was not there. The same day, did that touch you? Did that touch you? Did that ever touch your joints and your marrow? Did that ever make you to have sympathy? You. Just goodbye from this page. Very stupid people, no one sense. This type of fulefu. Go to your village and start house now. Obi no na city na machari. Go to your village. An Igbo man will fight you. Check the massive attack upon Ebuka Obi. Or you try it on David Oyedepo. Try it on David Ibiomi. Try it on Jeremiah Motofonye. Can matter say that day na yena tompolo dinamma upon your contact you can what ye. Hungry fools. My hairy beginning, they can sell even their intestine to eat. Majority of our people, betrayers. Betrayers. Mananda Usana man need their gold. They are illegal. They are not paying anything returns to federal government. They are not paying anything in returns to federal government. The same abnormalities that is creating hunger everywhere. Man, only Igbo give patana bakia they make kola bon krikele. If no Igbo papa oga go ta bonkere ahụ go ye go bụ na ọkụwara pipe o buru ya na ala Anambra o buru ya na ala Imo o buru ya na ala Enugu, our brothers will block the road and deal with him. Aga nagidi ego na ya the last thing. To some extent that even you that is talking, when last did you pay visit to your king? Your community king? Have you ever gone to visit him? Have you ever gone to pay loyalty to him? JPA, comment if you want to join. I just saw your request now. Just comment. Comment I want to join. I will not send you request from there. How many Yorubas have a two around their legs? How many? Jebag, I just sent you request now. I just sent you request. How many of them? You hate your brothers. Everybody wants to blog. Everybody needs the internet space to blog. Everybody. They say that the best way for them to get fame is by bullying their brothers. I don't know why, JPAC, you're not coming up. Ndi Igbo, buy a new car. He says it's declined, JPAC. I don't know if you can use another page. Buy a new car and go to your village. Try it now. Somebody just commented Nazan Frakiabi. They are gold for their communities. And what about they swimming as a for even gold? Try iron alibo. Your brothers will go and create task force. Only when they create task force in Kiana Alaba. So that only will be under go every Alaba, he will task him. It's the same Emeka, this is the same person. Any other comment from you, I'll buy you out of this place and there and they mixed blood. Don't don't allow me to go far now with you. Some of them no get experience. Some of them no way. Only Igbo will political will play politics at the feelings of another person's state. And you want me? You're telling me you're a priest. Who gave you priest? Is it a sultan? Can't I buy it? This same brain we have only Igbo. Listen to me. Somebody gave you a day and collected 2 million naira from you or 1 million naira from you and ask you to stay inside the bush with AK-47 and claim that you are protecting Ali Igbo while the same native doctor is in his own compound building mansion. As wise as you are, Sonyi Igbo. Those champs are the water nuku at the waist of those boys and ababu ni more here. Those champs are the water at their waist. All body their warrior and advise them how gani more here gani Sonyi Igbo. Why the native doctor collected money from you and he's living comfortably in his own house. He's driving a good car. He's making videos on Facebook, but you are on the hide. You are hiding. But so he will not talk. His charm will not say no game when you are the charm. Only Igbo. God will pay many of you. Nature will pay many of you. Go and check. In days of old, all those who prepared evil in our land, go and check. There is always a way they stay. You may have money now. Your tomorrow matters. Your tomorrow matters. Only Igbo. Bragadish. Bragibono wenno. Haven't you seen the video or the picture where an Hausa man was sharing money in wraps, not one bundle? The fish roll, the executive nylon, can able 10 bundles. He was sharing it to his brothers. He was empowering them. Take $100,000 to any Hausa that you want to change it. A small aboki will call his brother. They will change it. He will call his brother. They will change it. They will not tell him you are poor. J-Pack, you're welcome.
Good morning.
You're welcome.
I'm enjoying your live.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you, everyone that is listening. Good morning.
Good morning. You have anything to say?
Okwu na-ekwu kwuchagoro okwu na-ekwu na ịma na one of the things yesterday or day before yesterday about Ndebai. Sorry to say this. Only Igbo am president of Nigeria, #1, because of Anyukwu. Yes, and in this Biafra, yeah, very hard. Because our
people will destroy it. Position. Scatter.
Listen, let me tell you. I want the whole stories. Isiagu na Ndekano. Isiagu but he get a backup. A strong backup. The people who think that no backup are the people dining and whining with the politicians.
Yes.
Because now many people are on every court sitting but 500 million naira can spend. And all these people they claim are gonna have for Ndi Igbo na have a iPod, this year. How was to go now that's 500 million as a logistics. So why not the kind of guy there? I'm not doing Chief Judge can I this boss with this 500 million. He get 10 years until the guy resign as a chief judge. And that is the problem. That is the problem. That is why even Nanda for restructuring. Or I was okay, let us restructure Nigeria.
Let him forget about that Biafra of a thing. Let him forget about it and have his peace. Go to his family. He has lost enough. He has lost enough. Always to go so much. The people he's even fighting for, Ndenka, are they the same people I'm looking at here?
Okay, the other day we went to court. We saw Sowore Beradia with his men, with his boys. Now, Piasu, that Naga Abadias, can you better again listen to Oja Yoruba? If I say by a foot Ndi Igbo this country, what only about that idea? Today, says na Senator Victor me, now but idea, I walk way out. A senator. Hey, Jinege, Maranda also at the Yoruba, now by there freely. Senator Abatas with DSS name rank. Torn when to ever see Alasias. Amona. So when I was laughing to look at the sitting senator. Now but I go Baje, he be one day worker see Alasias. His name can run out. Back and you give up a bend the Bible. The Bible, you don't know what anything you can do to survive, do survive. I'm not in never see Banya, no can get a show Biafra, Chube. If we call along the line, I've been at you about Bogi. because na ihe ba ndị ndị ba na-eme bụ onye kwuo eziokwu asị na ọsabụ si chọba ya ka egbuo. APC, give me money. Thank you very much. Onye kwuo eziokwu asị ya chọba na ọsabụ. Everybody na Igbo bụ ọsabụ. Who's his or her opinion. Everybody bụ sabo. Ịtụtụrụ egbe gbawụsịcha onye ọbụla anwụchacha naanị gị erie dị Biafra. Naanị gị eketa oke n'ala Igbo. As if to say na Biafra bụ ala nna gị. Some of these people na-ekwu ikwu na-asị gị sabo, papa ha ejekwa ha ọgụ. Some of these people na-ekwu ihe papa ha emetụghị AK-47 aka. Emetụghị ihe egbe ntụ aka, emetụghị ogbu na igwe aka. Papa ha esighị nri, mama ha esighị nri butere ndị na-anụ ọgụ. Ọgwụ ụmụazị amụ na 1990 asịghị na sabo ekwere ọzọ ụmụazị a na-amụbeghị mgbe Buhari chere obodo a in 1983.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, please, can I say something?
Go ahead.
Maka ihe gbasara ihe ị na-ekwu okwu. Ịgwa gị eziokwu. Like what I do tell my people now, n'ebe m ebe a, that ihe gbasara Biafra ga-enwe isi. Ọ ga-enwe isi in the sense that the people are not in one mind and unity. Because oge m na-ezi ozi a, the ozi bịara, mgbe na-agba ha that ịhụla this Biafra of 18 a na-ekwu okwu ya, ọma nwe isi. That if Nnamdi Kanu ma ihe dịla ya mma, he should step down. If he refuses to step down, ọ ga-erie family ya. Mbosi m na-ekwu this thing, fasị na ihe m na-ekwu ụka iberibe na Biafra hụ ga-enwe isi. Mgbafa that na Biafra nwee isi, mmasị na ebe m si nweta dị ozi abụghị from the Most High. Because the people of Igbo, ịgba gị eziokwu, onwe onye ọbụla obi ya dị ofu. And some of these people are kicking and planning against Nnamdi Kanu. Ono na ebe ahụ gbu na Nnamdi Kanu ya usi na ọwụ ndị ugwu. By now, since anaghị apụtago ebe ahụ, to tell you the truth, ndị werela ya dọwa ya ebe ahụ ọnụ, all sabo amongst ndị Igbo. Ndị werela his hideout wee gaa gwa ndị nrofa eji bịa kpọrọ ya. So my advice bụ Nnamdi Kanu ma ihe dịla ya mma ka ọ hapụ this Biafra of 18 ọ na-achọrọ ịzọ. Chọọ somewhere ga-anọ chefu ihe gbasara the agenda.
For his own life. He has sacrificed more than enough.
Madam,
more than enough.
Madam,
ọ ya ozi m chọrọ iji.
Madam, do you know that na when I was with people, and I said, this now people they because now people hold this man. No be federal, no people hold this man. Say they are the one funding that 500 million. Even the federal government know they bring that money. That 500 million for logistics, every cost sitting. Now all the federal government they will take not govern on the southeast. Or how they will take in every cost sitting and fund the money. So why are they funding money? How much did it happen here? I'm at people equals over again. Kevaron the book Biafra Nisi among the blogger. Keonye Kabuna Governor Buru Biafra Nisi. Biafra better at a fine and good, I will be very happy. My name is second you get I bet that he see about Europa, JB Egypt, Bona. Now one unity among us. No single unity among us. The one from read no to never Ndi Igbo. Hey, Mangana Biafra, I'll give you the from our governors. Those
Exactly.
In a Chibamna, nor all the same allocation Nabara Nambra, Nabara Denugu, Nabara Deboy, Nabara. Problem Buna, any guy, are you using the money? Hey, will let you have bank, China Bank for the second term. E.g., we make campaign for second term. E.g., make campaign for in a Chibam Nobuna, a governor of a state or a governor Amaru. Rail station. Governor, what is rail station? Guinea-Bu rail station. That railway that the governor cannot do. Guinea-Bu International Standard Hospital that governor cannot do. There is money in that place. I will go to located about TM. There is money there. No, on your channel, Obido for 8 years allocation. on 6 years, bido 8 years project. Organ at the project to also not to acquire again, go we can complete here. Most of the country, Qatar, Anambra State in population and in landmass. Anambra State in population and in landmass. But they hosted World Cup with over $220 something billion. One of the expensive and highest World Cup ever. $220 something billion. How many years does it take them to build about 8 international standard stadium and over 2,000 bridges? Not be the same way Nigeria get.
JPAC, listen to this. Madam, listen to this.
Okay.
Obuchahu, the issue of Biafra alone. Biafra obiara otaka nno na-ele. Ma obiara otaka nno na-ele. I can never put my head. The only thing is, I can sympathize with Onyi Igbo because of that your language. Because now my DNA is related to your own. That is the only thing. But let me tell you this. Do you know that a fan of mine here, one fan told me, Obi is the US. So Ogale, one of our sister, Potea, from Ebonaro, she's a lady though. So she took this our sister along because Yamabe a nurse there. So on the side there, with some private houses, and when individuals snap her to come and take care of somebody, no look, so all those are too much naka. Only one of our sister can just share about offer. See, okay, I will be prescribing drugs for you. Iotra. Because already that one is a cleaner also now hospital. So only experience man in America, me want a certificate. So what she does is in the morning or be there. Iotra or kozeronya le she will administer medication to this man and leave. Do you know that after 3 weeks, this our sister, all those people go and onya plan gibuya. Onyo help gana US. Go and onya plan gibuya no chopia kayama take what care of. The man. Okay water. Now, no ya wagane me enyi ogo. They succeeded in pushing this person out. They succeeded though. Or ya gano go ta the ogo when you don't have license. That one became the problem. Do you see how mean our people they? Anybody that has never experienced this thing from our people will always be on the side. The day that rock of the true Igbo nature will hit you.
That is when you will know the truth.
In the cities, everybody know. Go and check. Now somebody kill the 200, they bring a one area. Even lose your amako no longer crew dog, brew AC, give up at that side. Police are man be safe because police must work with information. Very simple. There is another case of a lady in Agwo JPAC around your streets. A fan around your street was complaining to me. iPhone 13 Pro Max. This lady aboki na acquire steady because no maybe hand chabi. Over phone aboki made away with the phone. When this lady went and called police abiaro, all the aboki together stood in one voice na hama hoya no bu onya awusa. Now your street, I can give you the person's number without this complaint. That day from face to face call no back when I complain him this thing. Now sabuchie one day ordinary phone. Man, I can only do this thing. Even a baby rancher in abroad. All those cook in a comment rubbish bitch abroad. Go and check. Go and check. In their houses abroad, many of them are jail. Only we be
Get my body. Even the man at the good, bo, in problem, no, but not talking. Akpọbaga na phone gị bịa speak for Ndi Igbo so ọsọ ebe a na-ama na ịdị good bụ onye nwe issue akpọbaga obodo eziokwu si ya bịa speak ye onye jide mmadụ ụgwọ akpọbaga maka ama na ị ga-agbatawa ụgwọ mana when you drop video that will motivate people let's say or jump or say about you wanna fight in the you are just wasting your time. You just got on operation, mind your business. I am not now. Because people you are fighting for are not even care about you. People
Yes,
one
now.
day listen, let me
Exactly.
tell you on record on this live video. I'm going for the name for the about you would go without removing penny a dime from the money. Would they go moto? Chop police, no arrest, another ego, give away good name. Listen, let me tell you, time shall come. When that thing will turn against you. It was when Okuro mechara mmadụ ihe 30 something million wetezie 5 million naira ebe ọ bụ na onye a na-atụrụ ego anwụọna ka enyekwa ndị ọzọ arụ adịrọ person wee ghọọ ebili bịa were ọkpọ werezie ego rụrụbazie ụlọ matazie na ụlọ adịrọ be nna ya onye na-eji wee chaa I'm not trying to discourage you but na nweghị bụ ka m gwa gị ihe ga-eme gị very soon ndị niile na-efere na ha amaghị emecha tọnụ against you kwuo na gọvanọ ji wee sịkwa na gọvanọ so that is why onye butere m case kịta JPAC biko na were na nga ị na ha na-agbata ụzọ na block straight na apịa ka na block button na block straight away. It's not wickedness ọ bụrụ wickedness because na it's also only problem ka ị ama na mmadụ nọ so only problem mana ya na-agara gị nke ọma maybe na ijere nke dibịa wọcha oke ito ihe gara gị nke ọma ịpụta ije Thanksgiving gote GLK na-awụrụ mmanya elu JPAC no go is that time onwere onye ga-ama na nọ no
my brother JPAC ana m agbata ụgwọ 4 million 1 2 3 4 nwere dị ego na camera live camera were dị ego send the owner back 100% without taking percentage. Do you know that even while I will be on live camera returning 4 million naira ego mama ebe ndị a nọ nwee business I will be returning this money. Ndị Igbo will be at the comment section na-agba m nọ ihe abụ plan.
Okay,
N'ihe abụ plan n'ọbụ asị ọbụ asị mgbe m jiri Ọkịja gale ke a na-akpọ this guy Obi Adada ga mee ya arrest ọbụ asị nkụ na police na zone 13 nata the money kwechiri send ya onye nwe ego ya na zone 13. Do you know how many million I have recovered? Did Ndi Igbo appreciate it? Even ha bụ such video ha agba ọsọ. Some of them will be telling me that I am stupid, but Ubosonye who with a problem. That's why I take my time to screen record, screenshot comments. At their time, any donor that they told me inbox one maka, I will just be laughing.
When a precious time.
In fact, JPAC, somebody insulted me 2 days ago. What happened? Mmadu ji ụgwọ 1.something million naira. Mwe gbatara onye 700,000 were dị ego nye cash. Anakwa percentage. Ọ na-akpọ m day and night na nnatakoria balance. This woman was on my neck. Do you know the next thing I saw? Nandi very, very wicked. Nandi very, very wicked. What is my offense? That you will call me day and night. Even the man, the man, I am not the commissioner of police. When you go to lawyer, you will pay. The Igbo man has never appreciated this thing. Now, I take myself out from my position. Consider what Nnamdi Kanu is going through. Consider only an fight free.
Yes, and another thing, Governor because I don't know if there's a way. I don't know if there's a way ka agba mbọ Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ pụta because nna m ahụ ebe ọ nọ ojirikwa ahụ ka ihe hapụ ime ya ebe ahụ.
That one is none of my that one abụrụ business managio. You know one thing? Everyone fool. Everyone idiot to be in Abuja na Ijele. That idiot one morning said to me, because Namjuri Ajuju na camera, what is your occupation? This fool came to my WhatsApp and said, Nambo nye ESN. I'm one of the sponsors of ESN. Oh, they screenshotted it, I screen recorded it, and I kept them inside my laptop. Never you correct a fool. Never you correct a fool. He will fight you.
Coming to that, when the man has some Ndi Igbo abugo and you got the poor bread man, you be ajuru ajubo. Mgbe njefu Ijele abego court high court several times blue play card na-ekwu that na Nnamdi Kanu were buying inside the DSS mecha campaign niile wuzi mgbe a Buhari na-achị mecha campaign niile ahụ o mere ihe niile ahụ o mere fight everything with a false accusation amasị mee niile aha ndị Igbo niile kpọ ya asị na Ijele bụ ekwensu, Ijele bụ amụsụ, Ijele bụ nke ọzọ. Now what is happening? The same ndị Igbo niile aha because he thought the guitar had a jelly abused 5 and 6. Even the person wanting to respect I'm disappointed in him. I will see the video about him. Say I'm highly disappointed in you. I say onye Anambra State onye na in the Ghana as well. Onye gina na we na live video. Onye gina we na make nu na mano oburu Ijele. All in the name of the fight oka. Okay, now I want to ask you. This Biafra na achụte ọsọ ndị omenala ya nọ n'ala Igbo na-ejepụsị dị ndị bụ Biafra, because the way I'm seeing it ọ dị ka Biafra nwee isi na ndị Kristian ya apụ n'ala Igbo, ọ ya bụ sọsọ ndị omenala ya abụsị ndị bụ Biafra, because the kind of nkewa a na-ebute n'ala Igbo na nke ikpeazụ a any denomination, any religion ọbụla they preach about nkewa adịghị n'otu. I don't think na religion ahụ dị mwe practice because no doro m anya na nna anyị ha our forefathers bụ ihe wetara ụka. Yes, nna ya bụ ndị omenala bụ ndị ọta akpụ bụ ihe wetara ụka, because ọ bụrụ na ha wetara ụka, ọ bụrụ na ha chụpụrụ ndị ụka banye na ame nwe ụkara n'Igbo, mana ha batara ndị ụka bụ ụzọ mee introduce their religion. Ndị omenala mee adopt. Gịnị ka ejiri mee adopt? Ha netechara ya fụ na a na-eni mmadụ na ndụ. My father egosigo m obo mmọnwụ ebe nyere mmadụ na ndụ wee gbanye mmọnwụ mgbe ochie. Ọ gosiri sị maka efe obo mmọnwụ a na akwụkwara mmadụ ọtọ na ndụ, nwa agbọghọbịa bụ virgin na akwụkwara ya ọtọ na ndụ wee hibe data okwu mmọnwụ a. Some people are like due to magical power asị dị mgbe ochie eji eme ndị be anyị intimidate.
Lanya, are you there?
Yeah, I'm back. Okay.
Now, Madam, I want you guys to listen to this. It's only a fool that brags that he has army general. That army general, that's some of us, which are some senators, I just contact. One question I always ask myself is, the children and the immediate relative of these senators and these governors, Hana Choku, do they abuse the privilege we abuse? The answer is no. Now, unlike when I see some of our brothers, have put out with flex card and they make noise. Attire, the chief of army staff, will deny you. The DSS in charge will deny you. I know that as I know my name. They will deny you. So, if our people name it, okay, let me tell you something. Somebody said he went to school, no. Somebody said Niagara school, no. Now intelligence headquarters wona brain here. And I asked this question. You were sued to court by an individual. You went and posted that court suit on Facebook by yourself. You are guilty from that minute. Go and ask any lawyer. You are guilty from that minute.
1 minute, my friend, but here. Oh yeah, let me reply him. Thank you very much. You are entitled to your own opinion. But let me ask you a question. Why do you lock your comment section so that people will not throw insult on you? So that people will not correct you? Why do you lock your comment section? Make it open. Because now give a boy a balance of number 1 Biafra Nisi, Echo Biafra, we fight every possible means. Ndi Igbo, you know, they tried. Man, I was surprised. The balance of the kind of sport to say, give one only the enemy of that your struggle. na dine in the name of no na moment. Also kwa ebuna etu akita mbugo dey Christian today. Any pastor obuna nwara anwa we ku against Nnamdi Kanu, I will face that pastor to square. Any man, any person call himself man of God when one we ku evil against Nnamdi Kanu or we ku evil against Biafra, I will face that pastor to the last. Oh, warranty abi je monga. Man unu wabu ndị omenala bụ ị ga-afụ somebody ọsị na na-eme omenala ọ na-akparị ya ọ na-akparị your struggle na-akparị your lord the person you call your kwa ebe akwa mere m onye accept gọvanọ eziokwu ọ send request agbara zo ka ka eme this debate abroad.
I wish there's a way a ga-eme ya ka ọ pụta o eziokwu m niile.
See a comment here. All comment here. I will see it and I will send him requests.
Ha ejiri ahụ ebe ahụ ọ nọ.
The comments here. And Joe listen why. So somebody say your supreme leader. See look get na ba na anko na atako. Are you not a betrayer? Because it yeah, but there's some
I'm waiting for the name.
If was the Dibia, if was Dibia na bari Nnamdi Kanu na joka Nnamdi Kanu nwo again na ba na eme oye na kwa me Omenala. That is I don't know. What batara ba balance oye kokeke.
I'm waiting for his comments.
J-Pack.
Okay. Okay, madam, hold on. We'll add you back.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Actually, debate here once and for all. Please try and comment so that
as a comment that I may see it.
J-Pack, good morning.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yes.
I just wish
I'm sending him. Yes, I've sent him request to join. Yes, he's here now.
Thank God.
Good morning. You're welcome.
Good morning.
Adam Umma.
If I tell you I'm the mother, come on, I used to do for more than 7 years. It's tell you what the 7 years ago.
Okwu na onye ahụ na hate Nnamdi Kanu mụ na ya na-agbawo. Ọ na ịma na mbụ public figure.
Mba, asịrị gị gba awọ.
Wait. Onye ọbụla hate Nnamdi Kanu mụ na ya abịa bụla enemy. Is that how you reason?
Oh,
Adịmanụ ụdị ọkwa. I'm a mature freedom fighter against check am bịa. O nwere ihe na-ese m n'Ijele. Ijele nwere problem with ndị IPOP in Turkey. Enwere this guy onye ọrụ eri na-emekwa omenala. O jiri anya anụmanụ maka Nnamdi Kanu. Ya na Nnamdi Kanu nwere problem na London. Ọ na-agba Nnamdi Kanu war with ndị IPOP. Mụ na onye nwoke ọrụ eri enwere problem. Mụ na ya na-afụ na sọbalị. Anyị anọdụ ọgbọ m ego helụkwa m ya anyị ekene asị ndị omenala. Onye ada fight mụ na ya nwere problem. Nnamdi Kanu nwere his own cross to carry as a leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. A lot of people hate him. It does not stop me from liking him. All my role model. Maybe IPOP adenye m 1 kobo. 1 kobo nwebe onye IPOP pụta sị na IPOP is Malaga ma anywhere nyego m 1,000 naira. I sing for Biafra because those from my heart. I'm not representing Biafra struggle because of payment. So what can you hate Nnamdi Kanu enemy or not possible? Don't fight like that. Unless you call me out as your enemy, I take your war. Mona get blue one-on-one. So I know the fight to that kind of antagonism of Biafra. More and I bamba can stop why I stop. Oburo onye tio na Biafra issue mara akpali anya. Ma onye even if you chọ igwe onye ahụ okwu ichi igwe onye anọ ọ na-ekwute you talk with that person correct anya with respect and honor.
Can you allow
near fact and common sense or what ihe a na-ekwu
ask you a question. Maybe they go kuboku. Oh, enjoy that. Can you have ideology? One.
Ask me a question. Ask me.
So because I didn't want to simple by simple. As he stand now, how do we describe Mazi Nandekano? Can we describe him as overall general Ndi Igbo? Yeah, as Messiah Ndi Igbo. Let me just put it that way. Can we describe him as Messiah Ndi Igbo as he stand now?
So you get design Nandekano because he's a leader of every people. Nandekano na achindi mpulu na achindi si the man, na achindi lawyer, na achindi police. And when the police like a struggler, and when the DSS like a struggler, and when the government like a struggler, and when the Attire like a struggler, more be those students from 2013, I'm a student in Nandekano. Do you get the point? More appreciate as Hamadi Ndi Igbo. Or any money budiko memula ife. He's the only person memula if I confirm. I took him personal. Now personal to me, only help to me. I'm okay. Other people, and when Dana talk is up to hate okay, even Nima IPOPR when they hate one and can. Okay, you will be shocked to know that.
Wait now. Can you hear Mazebu to you? Let us say to you, carry orders. Can you help to you?
You are to me, boo, leader of Biafra struggle. He's our savior.
Our savior.
He's our savior.
Okay.
He's my He's our savior. And I will be a good listener. I will put it to you. He's our savior. Savior I call savior call because all present here present to before. But we for Amaro for the Mali.
Is an adjunct it's not our savior and also your savior. Fine and good. If you see somebody Jebe your savior no will you defend your savior?
Will I defend my savior?
What will you do? Okay, let's say now
More I defend my savior, or my savior I defend him.
My savior
no. Only that savior. Oh, Facebook, one man the can of money I cover. Especially you, J-Pack. Not joining a drag. Cook the last Neketa. Go sit now the can for me. I'm Ndi Igbo. I know the principles and powers.
J-Pack, in civil engagement, you have answered a very sealed question now. You've said a very sealed something now. There is nothing Ijele can do to Nnamdi Kanu. That is where I stamp it.
That's a simple point.
So otherwise, do you agree with me? Since he cannot do anything to Nnamdi Kanu, do you agree with me that your friend Ijele is a noisemaker? Do you agree? To Nnamdi Kanu, do you agree?
It's Ijele, my friend.
Okay, sorry, our brother. Our brother. I said our brother.
Is our
okay. Do you agree? Do you agree with me now? If I should scrutinize your statement now, do you accept, sir, that since there is nothing he can do to Nnamdi Kanu, it means that he's just a noisemaker? Do you agree?
You cannot call Ijele a noisemaker. On the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, what do you get? A noisemaker.
No, when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, I said when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, he's a noisemaker.
Yes.
Thank you. I love that point. So if you have any other question, ask J-Pack or J-Pack ask him, please.
Onwero ihe kwere gwa J-Pack bụ na ihe melody dịka eziokwu gụnwakwa na ihe melody dịka people ihe na-eme that antagonizing you now ọ ka isi welu gbakụlụ ndị Zion Ebuka Obi Ebuka Obi chelu ka anyị bịa cheka m bịa mụnwa personally na ebe nọ wee bido tinye ebe anya n'ihe Ebuka Obi na-eme Ebuka Obi dela akwụkwọ faịlụ ya tụrụ Ozekome ka abịa butelie Matias Ezak. Then ha bịa Onitsha ha ga-akpọ Matias Ezak invite anya to lawyer or any position then they couldn't do that. they entered into a multitude of people. Almost 1 million naira. However, Obako, everybody name Obako. Wherever money to ebo mbo we to phone because naturally move mass yes a jofo. Now every place aku banya okusas purchase house si na ha mara ebe ono. Omu na nge na okuzu me call from zone 13 we gwa anyị na onye anodia ai badia. I we one friend at the all the CP no na the CP no na that okusas. I say I banya dia no dia I so some na nge na okuzu bala okusas. Ha to listen from okusas tole anaba Abuja. Keki expect kidnap madu sie na ha bu bia eblo number. So for you blood proof the police and those they no mufti. Now a push to Abuja, the same Ebuka Obi one microphone, how can somebody wait? I'm coming. How can somebody that is representing Christ? How can somebody that is representing ministry of more than 10,000 multitude be lying on the same altar on our Afuta? Do you get the point? I am not nasi. At that moment, can carry a bad or two. So for you, Governor Ezioku, I respect you much. On embassy, he present local the live video. What the idiot nana? I got heziki. He can't represent Alonso. You cannot be representing ordinary with Alonso and Alolo and the phone Alolo. If I took 2 million, your percentage is there. You will say 2 million. You will say your percentage. You will 2 million. I don't code I can't. I start ever can be the follow back. Oh, from that time can be the follow back. Governor Ezioku. I said there at the Lungian Bar saying if that kind of movement may exist, add me to that movement. Makana bieda dibiaka. Oh ya carry a mana Zion bibiaka na mungi biaka because it's a disgrace to Afrotheism. Oh, a disgrace called Afrotheism. I don't know. Jeje munkem onya mbeje pa kiboli na tonda babuliebo akuna la tugo. I went there. I went there to confirm kamalo katonda siwe babu demand. Lu abona jepa ke olugo ni awu ke mmadu ko si egbu na ndị ọzọ na social media. Ogbu onakpo. Onwere onye be perfect. Onwere onye perfect, but you don't fix, you don't use your mouth. Imana J-Pack amono. J-Pack wait. J-Pack amobe kind of followers somewhere. All the go so viral. Before on ekwu on verify ya. All my man dey for J-Pack for kwa. Only for you watch for Facebook. Now Facebook my man dey here for. Man on go too much followers. Even mgbe bido here on eme. He consulted me. I'm na nye tisu. Mgbe ọmụ na-ekwukarị live video mgbe a na-efolo m. Ọ na-akpọkarị m na onwe mgbe megide mekwo m admin. No na ike ịma social media dey stressful. Ike na run for everything other na-esete ihe ụmụ ihe ada adịba m. So J-Pack inwe idigo too popular. Ichi ikwu okwu maka mmadụ especially personal issue. Verify ya confirm and the maliki si present ya. O nwere onye ga-ede na onye ahụ anwụgo ma na ihe egbugo onye ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ ya mere onye ahụ eke take personal with you. Okay.
Nke a ekwuru o nwere ka ọ bụrụ ihe a gwara gị ọkwa onye omenala unu kwa bụkwa ezi ikuku bụ ihe ji ebupụta vidiyo kwuo na mkpọna na gbara bụghị na tonda na mkpọna na gbara and turu a confirm mkpọna na gbara and o jere n'ọgwụ turu.
Ọ bụrụ mkpọna na kide it's not tonda. Onye anyị gị enye gị update nyocha update enye gị. O ebulu update butere na WhatsApp. Ebulu update butere na WhatsApp. Ibulu update boom de utate enyo.
Totoro akara tudo.
Get baptized there and all thunder. Lenya, Abranze, I want you to be witness to this, eh? You know, people talk out of sense what they don't understand. About everything J-Pack in make him not support here. Ask him. Most times I quarrel with J-Pack on the phone. But Abian one kind of understanding. At the end of the day, he sees me as his brother. Even if I don't call him, J-Pack will likely call me. Or in one way or the other, I got resolved already. Obuko everything can not see and Nanka pass mark. I know they do like that, but I cannot come to the public. Obuma J-Pack me video, get the wonder the video. Nanka the bad in camera in car.
What now? na public ka ọ dị nyelu sense ya aka.
No.
Ofigo na ịma na ọkụkọ na-arụ mmanụ ọkụkọ na-ele ọkụ si na mmanụ ka ọ na-arụ na-abịa public na-agụ ya ka fans gị fụkwa na aka dị ọcha because also maybe your ideology is fighting criminality. I know you are after reason go me your reason and go me your video. I like your presence. I like your he believe in ya. Me na me no onye ordinary kama na ida ijoku ike achụ ndị ụka ndị amụmụ ya si n'oli boy na boy onye gwara gị mana onwe boy proof rie ida achụ ndị ụka there are coming people na kwa keza yo me padlock mbosi ya you have not drag you no botala onye padlock na romance ya with question oh pastor ko mmadu bia kwuru padlock si na you native doctor ayo chayo bu na obo native doctor no pastor gunwa governor just o je park na romance onye ana question
no
man already there healers man already there healers
wait on the man and the pastor dibia na mad in suit does not mean that no be
J park
no, J-Pack, don't say that. That man, Ghana Facebook, got check here. That man, a pastor, and don't be a gig man. When I call somebody a gig man, go and check the meaning. The man be a gig man. He's a criminal. And anyway, video here. I don't want to post this video. Ask J-Pack. I was begging the man. The video not here with me, but all people told me not there on me post. I was begging the man to invite Ebuka Obi. Na video. See, come near 1 million naira. Go confess here. Nobody was there with us.
Yes.
I priced him 1 million. Say, I'm a transfer. Dear. The man insist. The man, and what you degrade that man? The man, boy, a personal criminal. Go, my brother, go and do your abaranze. Even man, Omenala lead is spiritual. Go and investigate this. Don't ever regard me to be human being. Then, as for the arrest of Matthias Isiagu, only a fool will cry when his brother, will celebrate when his brother is arrested. Your turn is coming. The turn of anybody who celebrates it. Every human being gotta go on the street to respect clothes na prisons and cell. Take it from me. Okay. Okay. So far this internet space is concerned, all of us will respect clothes there. Now, on that arrest, only made that arrest about Zion. That was why the first person I called on that day, Joy Aginim Rebo Zion.
Man, I Abuja top down Ebuka Obi. On a room, you file case from his office because the lawyers, I know my Abuja 7 days. The lawyers, nobody was appearing. That's from Kahama. Kamalon de not did the case. But after later, I realized Zach because how much from Abuja. The IPOG case in Nonayade, a bell was Zach. After him, a bell Mado. Because Zion go detain him. That they will detain him for 2 weeks. No messy guinea, no Bulumadu, no Megini. Character defamation, Kiji, Bolokusas, Webia. So I told Lucian Muddy, Messi again. Character defamation. And a Dela court. Okay, Paramo, Hamagiana. Paramo Cruz, and Mega Catastrophe. Why the job, a job Kado be within that labor police station, had their court process. That is what they're supposed to do in that case of Matthias Cesar. But how do you go see? Even when J-Pack in a pussy, oh, video man, no, Bugabanya. Now, the only and then about one, and the Yoruba which are big pastors, top pastors. Name me, now, Ebuka be a lower quarter half. Ndi Igbo ni score na agba ka agba tu ya. Ofunu go pastor Yoruba. Na a native shrine any Yoruba imagine it's shrine ndị na-agwọ ọgwụ ndị Yoruba nwere ya ndị Yoruba ka na-eme human ritual today aka ji mmadụ echi ọba na Yoruba land up to today enwe ndị eji mmadụ stood I
want to ask you something, Abaranze. Enutugo na elere nwa afọ Igbo before resia calabash na ihe a bụ oke ite. I believe you with 5 oke ite around you now, and I would like you to show me one. You know to go na somebody. My man, don't worry. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Akwibo onye Omenala. Why is it that you don't have okite?
No, I na elu ogwu elu. Imo ụmụazị na achakụla ọgwụ. Ụmụazị 25 years je na achakụla ọgwụ. Si ya ọ bụ na olugo ogo ọgwụ, ya bupụ ọgwụ ya be dibịa, ya bụ na ya dị ka ọ mara ihe eji nwe eru m ada aba be ndị odogwu mbọsị gburugbo. Ọgwụ nwere nsọ. A na-elu ọgwụ dị. Ọgwụ dị o. Asịkwara na ọgwụ mmadụ akọkọtagara gị okwu isi na mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ adịrọ.
Odo iya lanya ichenaka m dị ọcha ichenaka m dị ọcha ichenaka m dị ọcha ichenaka m dị ọcha
chere eziokwu ọgwụ dị problem enwe bụ na ụfọdụ bịazie duto na ha amago n'anya ndị mmadụ dị ka agwọ ọgwụ nwe ego ha kuchie ofu achịta ofu ahịfịa ọsọ ha ifie ọra ha wee gị n'ihe kuchie nalụghị ego iburu agarị n'inwere ọgwụ iburu na-agarị n'inwere ọgwụ mana ị nwere ọgwụ ọgwụ dị ezigbo ọgwụ ebutu ezigbo ọgwụ
which size ke the capacity nke ị nwere? Do you have ibubo?
No.
Do you have okite?
Enwelu before igwọ ọgwụ anyị agbalụ gị afa ọ bụrụ ihe agba afa ebe ụzọ ebe ịtọ ọ bụrụ ịnọgide igwọba ọgwụ mụnwa hụ dada kingdom ka nsi onwe ọgwụ igwọlụ m ọgwụ ọ na nna lụta 1 million igwọlụ m ọgwụ kịta ma lụta 20,000.
You are supposed to be practicing that kingdom.
Governor eziokwu chelu ịchọ gị n'eziokwu ịma ọdịnala anyị nọsiri ike ọ bụrụ ya na-amabata uche isi ebe isi mabata ịbịa kwuo maka ya ọgwụ dị ọgwụ nwere iwu nwee consequences and ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ka ọ na-agazi ilu and the main maka na ọ dụrọ na my destiny si na onye ọzọ agaghị eme nwunye onye tolulu oge ọgwụ luo oge ọgwụ o wepụtara ọgwụ ofurum ọgwụ ọdọba ọgwụ ofurum ọ na-emeli ya ife ọgwụ na ya magnet power kama ihe o eme ya magnet rege power of 30 years butelu gị erie ya under 10 years or 7 years ọgwụ dị mgbọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ ọ nwere ahịfịa dị n'ọfịa ya bụ metụ gị na-arụ ifuo n'ọfịa.
Yes, now I know. I have taught it here now.
Ọgwụ dị kama na ụmụazị kịta onwe ndị a na-anatụ ego ọ bụrụ ọgwụ ka a na-agwọ ọrụ ha agwọrọ ọgwụ ọgba ọsọ agwọrọ ya ọgwụ bụrụ ọgwụ n'aba ya adị nwere ya alụ ka o debe ọgwụ ya alụ nwa ọrụ debere gị ebie ya gwa ọrụ gị bụrụ jedebe ebe gị ọkpọta enyi n'anya si ite nye nri ọgwụ
ajụjụ maka ọgwụ ịma na omenala Igbo belong to everybody nweghị onye ọghara as today my father bụ evangelist mana ọ na-awa ọjị o jikwa ose obere ose ọjị ekpe ekpere ihe ọbụla gbasara omenala Igbo my father na practice here which is obodo traditional now ihe ejiri mara obodo now achọrọ ka njụọ ga-agbara nze ka ị kọwara anyị nke ọzọ bụ na ya mara maka afọ na ede rooted na omenala oke ọgwụ eji mara ndị Igbo eji oke ọgwụ wee mara ndị Igbo na oke ọgwụ na ọgwụ ego eji mara ndị Igbo ọ dị na omenala Igbo
ịma na ikpe onye ọgwụ ego kịta ịkọpịrị gị one side ihe ya akpụ ya agba ọgwụ dị n'ala Igbo imesịrị side na ọgwụ ego ekele dịrị Chukwu ha ị na-anụ ma ndị ị na-anụcha afa hichara ha nwere ite People's Club ka ha bịa nwee ego chelu ka m bịa ichere na People's Club ka ndị odogwu a niile bịa nwee ego ha enwetaghị ego People's Club na-ama aka chelu ka m bịa n'isi na ọgwụ adị na omenala Igbo ọgwụ dị na omenala Igbo ọgwụ dị na omenala Igbo gee ntị
anya mgbu ọgwụ asị oke ọgwụ ego ejiri mara
ekpentini enine m ọgwụ bụ ọgwụ ma nke oke ma nke nwunye ma nke paracetamol ịṅụ ọ mgbọrọgwụ dị n'ọfịa ọgwụ bụ ọgwụ enwere oke ọgwụ nwee nke bụ abọni afa kama na ịbata n'ime ọgwụ enwere negative and positive otu a chemist si wee nwee sniper ịba chemist kịta ịga ọgwụ kịta sniper ka a na-elekwa na chemist ọrụ ịbata chemist ịgwa chemist ya na-egodi sniper ka ịgba ọchịchọ mana ịchọ ijekwa ụdọ ọ were sniper olebe na-alụghị ego ị na-anyị ṅụọ sniper kwa ekwechiri ma onye na-anya ọ bụrụ onwe onye na-ede ịchọ itinyelu sniper Ihe niile awọ ọgwụ enyi ule bụ ọgwụ. Paracetamol bụ ọgwụ, wiper bụ ọgwụ. So isi na ndị Igbo a na-agwọ ọgwụ anyị nwa bụ ọgwụ n'onwe anyị nwa ji mgbọrọ ọfịa ka anyị bi mgbe gboo. Anyị nwa ji aka anyị nyopuo ọgwụ niile na-agwọ anyị malaria, nyopuo ọgwụ niile eji agwọ ma stroke ma ihe niile. Anyị nwa nọkwa n'ọfịa nyopuo ọgwụ eji echekwa ngwuru. Enwere obodo ahịa abarọ ya n'ahịa side Isiagu. Ahịa gafere ha mana ọ batara the village.
I have a question for you.
All right.
Abaranze, my brother, you cannot know the taste of a stew until you have a taste of it. How come you describe and explain Ogo like this and you don't have your own shrine? Where is your shrine located? And I want to bring
shrine, man, I am serving Odu Dada, the great oracle from Arochukwu on a village called the Alunsem Kanefe.
Arochukwu in Anambra State.
Arochukwu Kedina Abia State can see Bia Abmoyen Dio. Oborina do not Lumbasi Alochukwu Bia, Mufuma Momunze, Majali, Marondi Zog, Alochukwu Kainta Sibia. Each year the buy, you bought as over I bought Falon war. I ain't what is there, or that bought Fala. Or bought Falon war within 24 days because our overall is on Alochukwu corner. We appreciate, we pay homage to it. Moments the Oborina for village you channel the channel Alochukwu. Also, Kumek walk, I do Batano Lumba, where Batazena today Anambra. So my own diet will do that diet. Eben Sibiowa. Enjoy Donatia Salvo Bazen official. I don't have time at my house. But I have researched and I have gotten my own Aluseben Sibiowa. Only on our Alusebo Sibiowa. Like J-Bax and Ampiana God Osoji. Na Wologinet Bebel to Soji. Obrosia on Omenala. Nagamoro Mo Sibiowa. Or them Jesus Abro Mo Jibiowa. Jesus Abraham see the best in Nigeria Park.
I am learning. I'm a student here.
Okay.
I'm a student here. I am the one learning. So Abaranze. It doesn't change each other. Igabuta moa na. Igabuta chiga na. You bring.
Chim yabo alusin sibiwa chim diche. Okay. I got what I see now. In my Japan to fake a copy for on a cheery. Chicken and Alu Sibiowa. Over even Alu Sibiowa, there were 4 quarters, 4 cardinal cities there. All the families in India, my village,